Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to build a color converter which will convert the hexadecimal color codes to RGB, which stands for our red, green, blue color codes here. So this will be a simple application developed in JavaScript. So all the source code regarding this application will be there inside the video description. This is my step-by-step blog post and this is the end result that you will build here. Let me just show you the application to you. So this is the application. Let me just zoom in. So here this is the easy interface. Here you will input the hexadecimal code here, color code. So this is the example which is shown to you. This is a format. Let's suppose I want to convert hash 00000. So this is the hexadecimal color for black. If I convert this to RGB, you will see red, green, blue 000. So this is the actual code for RGB. Similarly, we can convert this FFF. So this is for white. So this will be converted to 255, 255, 255. So in this way, you can just copy paste any hexadecimal color valid code. Just paste it, and now it will tell you the actual value inside RGB. So this is a great application. Now, if you enter an invalid code here, it will tell you inside the alert message that error color format. So this is not a valid hexadecimal code. So this is a great application that is developed in browser using JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript. So in order to make this application, just go to the video description. I have given all the source code. Let me just show you how to do this. So simply you need to control C, and you need to be having a valid editor here. So simply I will guide you step by step how to do this. So I am using Visual Studio Code text editor. So you can use any text editor of your choice. So let me just plug the keyboard here. So let me just delete this file. So just make an empty directory here. Inside this, make an index.html file. So 3 files will be required here. So first make this simple index.html file and paste this code here. Simply we have h4 heading and a simple form element, and inside this we have a simple label, color format, and then we have simple input field and a button, and again an input field. So if I execute this, you will see nothing will be styled because we haven't written the style sheet code here. So if you just drag down, you will see your file style.css. Simply you need to copy this file. So control C, or you can drag down here and simply control C. That's it. And now you need to make a separate file for this, which will be style.css. So this is very good programming practice. You need to encapsulate your code in different files so that whenever you are debugging the code, you will find it very easy. So now to include this file, we will use the link tag. So this is a standard way by which you can just include any sort of style sheet file inside your index.html. Then it takes the href attribute. Here you need to put the path style.css. That's it. So now if you refresh the application, you will see, if I refresh, your application will be styled here. If I just type this hexadecimal code, nothing will happen because we haven't written the JavaScript code. If I convert, you will see nothing will happen. If I right click inspect element, you will see in the console it is not defined. So we need to write this function which will execute this function when we click the button. So now for this you need to create another file which will be script.js. So make this file, and here you need to go to the blog post and you will find this file script.js. Simply we will have this function here which will actually carry out the conversion for us. So simply you need to make this file, just paste the code here, and now you need to include this file. So we can include this by simple script tag, and then it takes the source. So here you just need to provide the source here, which is script.js. That's it. Now your application is complete. If I refresh it, now if I paste any valid code here, 4 5, so this is a hexadecimal code, and now you will see the actual value which is inside red, green, blue color format 244 comma 95 52. If I change this value, let's suppose to any value 3, now you can see the value will change. So in this way you can just build a very simple hexadecimal to RGB color converter in browser using JavaScript. All the source code will be there inside the video description. And thanks very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, guys. This is a tool based website of mine. The link will be there inside the video description. 180 tools are there, so check out this website, and also my website, which is procodestore.com. The link will be there inside the video description. So here you can buy premium source code if you want, only 15-20 rupees. I daily upload premium source code here, premium applications. So you can see these are the applications that are listed inside the store here. So you can check out this website procodestore.com. The link is there inside the video description, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.